Hey, human. Good morning. Hey, Carby. Good morning. Unexpected stream. Why? I just started a bit earlier. Hey, Meow. Good morning. Oh, you need to go to the dentist. Oh, shit. Hey, Kyle. Good morning. What's up, everyone? Hey, Auntie. Good morning. Been trying out coolify, loving it so far. Nice. Thank you for using it, Kyle. Yeah, soon I need to go to the dentist as well. Because I think I was more than a year ago when I was last time there, so it's probably time. Oh, nice. I used Caprover before coolify, however, I don't think they do much development these days. Yeah, probably. We need to add the docs on submodules. A bit counterintuitive disabling the checkbox to get it working. Oh, you mean, Kyle, you had submodules that you don't want to include in the build, basically? Hey, Shadow. Hey, Xariel. Good morning. There are people from Twitter, or X, sorry, in the chat. Yeah, you probably could not see it. Yeah. Ah, here you go. Now you can see it. But yeah, I need some kind of... Yeah, I'm pretty not sure that that I could show all the chat on the screen. Not sure, because now it is disabled. But yeah, I'm not sure if I could just simply show all the chats in one place, like Twitter, YouTube, and Twitch. I know it's against the rules at Twitch, but so many people doing it, so I'm not sure. And also this chat is not updating. Hello. I've got some Git submodules and wanted to pull in. Had to disable submodules checkbox and use the relative paths in Git modules. Yeah, that part could be updated in the docs, for sure. Hey, Bachman. So until people arrive, I will continue this nomad journey, let's say, because some of the things were not working as I would like to. And yeah, I need to figure out a few things. This nomad cluster is, I think you were here. Oh, hey Bezos, good morning. You were here, Shadow, on Friday. So, but those who won't hear on Friday, I'm basically just learning about Nomad. That is an English orchestration tool that basically creates Docker containers, and it's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm just learning about it. Oh, he wasn't here. And yeah, that is what I'm trying to learn, how it works and how can potentially we can use it. Hey Michal, good morning. And yeah, I played with it a few hours on the weekend, but I could not figure out a few things that is basically essential to make it a possible future solution, let's say, for coolify. But yeah, so I quickly deleted all the servers and we will start it again. Now I have a bit better experience how it should work, and yeah, maybe we can figure out those small things. And we also will use Podman and not Docker Engine. Because Podman is way better, to be honest. Okay, so now we need Nomad. We installed Podman, which is kind of Docker engine. It's basically headless or daemonless, so it does not need to run anything, basically. Anything you like better about Podman specifically than Docker engine? Well, it's more secure by default because there is no Docker daemon running at all. So basically, I could update Podman without restarting the Docker daemon because there is no Docker daemon. And so basically, all your applications will run, and I can update Podman or basically anything on the server related to Docker or, yeah, Podman. And all your containers will run as is. And also, as there is no process running with root user, it is pretty secure by default. And yeah, that is basically enough. But there are a few other things why Podman is way better than Docker. Okay, so now we have Nomad. Yeah, we probably need the Podman driver as well. Yes, And I think I would like to install console as well. Okay, so now I have everything in place. It also uses Docker files. And I think there is support for Docker Compose as well. So it basically, as I know, but I never used it in production, let's say, it is basically a drop-in replacement for Docker. And it can also manage Docker, or Kubernetes, sorry, in some way. So it is pretty cool. Okay, now I have everything. Yeah. Does traffic work with Podman? I guess it needs access to the daemon to register running containers. It has a daemon, not daemon. It has a socket, basically, a PHY socket on the server, which I'm not sure where it is located, but I think it's around Warren Podman sock. Yep. So it has a socket that can basically communicate with not a daemon, but with Podman itself. So basically it works the same way as Docker, just it does not have a running daemon. It gets all the details through the socket, basically, this PHY socket. So you won't see any difference, except that you don't even need to use podman command, so you can make an alias to Docker and everything should work as is. And you won't notice any difference, just that basically there is no root daemon, root process running the Docker daemon. Okay, so we have everything installed now. So what I would like to do is, let's say that, okay, let's go away, just use one server for now. This should be the server, Nomad server. Let's use this. Should we configure it with AI? Because it's way faster. Hey, Lian, thanks for the follow. Already learned something today. Nice. Then I can end the stream, right? Haha. No, I won't. Except if my voice goes away. I'm not sure what's happening. I just started the stream 10 minutes ago. Okay, yeah, let's try to use Grok for this. So hello Grok, good morning. So I'm trying to configure a Nomad cluster today. We will have one server for now, but we will extend it for at least 2 later for high availability. So let's do it. Yeah, Monday gang. On the server, I already installed Podman and Nomad and Console. And also the Podman task driver for Nomad. Hey Journey, good morning. Now I would like to configure everything, including Nomad, console. Finishing a project today at work. Nice. Stress, hello. Not nice. Hey, Hugo, good morning. Okay, what else? This one server should be the Nomad server first, and the client as well. I would like to... no. Just start with this. Oh. I will use systemd to start Nomad and console. There is no background music. Hey, good morning. There should be music. Please let me know if there is no music. Wave at me or something. Type 1 in chat, or I don't know. Oh, okay, there is music, but very low. I can pump it up a bit, like this. Yeah, it's currently sitting on minus 40 decibels. Well, I can show it to you. Maybe you would like to see it as well. Hello, me. So this is how it looks like. But yeah, it should be fine. I don't want to make it so loud, so... Hey, Luis, good morning. Yeah, it's really hard to define or set the right music level because yeah, some people say that, oh, it's fine, some people say, oh, I cannot hear anything, so okay. Why you look very bright today? You got new lights? No, but yeah, I tweaked a bit the lights. Maybe I'm a bit too light now. Yeah, not sure. No, I'm not on Windows. I just shown the streaming PC. Yeah. Good luck, human. So let's see. Let's configure this one first. So I I need to have... Okay, maybe this is too much for now. Let's configure each service one by one. Okay, never mind. I don't want to do this, but yeah. So this is different. Okay. Okay, you know what? I do the backup of that file. So I can edit it. And this is UI config enabled true, something like that. And what I would like to check is, maybe we should set the encryption as well. It says that we need to use console key again. Okay. Encrypt, close that one. Okay. Adjust your server IP if needed. Nope. Okay. Let's see. Something is wrong. Okay. What's happening here? That is not so talkative. Are you putting Nomad inside Coolify? Not sure yet. I just basically learning about it at the moment. Oh, is this something different? Nope. How can I get the logs from this? Because this is okay. Schedule restart job. Do we have log file? Nope. Okay. I need the systemd maybe. And system, no, not system, no, probably the user, no, system, maybe, whoops, systemd, SSH, nope. Where is the systemd file for that? Well, let us go. How can I get the systemd file for console service? Yeah, okay, I know, but it's not there. How can I use systemctl to get the actual systemd file? Yeah, it gets the actual file, okay. Oh, it's there. Okay. Yep. Okay. Can I set the log file somewhere here? I guess. Log file. Okay. Enables logging to syslog. Oh, maybe that is better. Oh. Also, you might want to set up console of worker user instead of root. Yeah, I think it is set like that by default. So Nomad and console has separate user group. Yeah. Okay, so why it is not logging to syslog by default? That is the question now. I don't know. I don't see it anywhere that it should log, so let's put it there. Okay, oops, yeah, I need to reload, right? Thank you. Okay, and now if I'm right, or not. It's probably in the journal. No. Why it is not logging anything? I know there is the problem is with this file, but still, I would like to know that what is going on. Okay, maybe I should not use syslog, but what was it? Console agent help log file, and yeah, just simply audit like this now. /ops/console/console.log. Oops, yep. Hello. Okay, maybe it doesn't start the log as it could not be started at all. What's the problem here? Oh my god. Hey Anat, can you check the pull request when you can? The only thing wrong is Redis and I don't know how to make it work. I tried a lot of things. Yeah, sure, we will check it. Thanks for the PR, by the way. It has no permission, probably. Well, this is so strange. Yeah, we'd like to have some way to debug this problem, because yeah, it's pretty bad that no error is written anywhere, basically. Let me check that command. Ooh, Hugo. Ooh. Okay. Okay, no private IPv4 address found. Yes, okay, but I think by default it tries to bind it to a private IP address. But for testing, public should be fine. Yeah, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, let's try it out. I should use this one for now. And then bind it to that one. Hello. Okay, it is alive. Hello. Status. Okay. Looks good. Not sure why the start command hanged. Okay, now we have log files as well. But we probably won't need it. Because by default it logs to syslog. Hey Marshall, I'm just trying to configure this Nomad cluster and play with it. And yeah, we will see how it will go. If you check that command is the port in use by another protest, my guess for no private IP stuff. Yeah, it probably tries to bind itself to a private IP address, but as there is no private IP address here, then it's probably fails. Not sure how can I configure it. How can I configure console to bind it to a public IP address by default? So I won't need to specify the bind IP address. I mean the public IP address. Oh, so I don't need to hard code it? Well, let's try it. Let's try it. Oops, not this one, the other one. So if I don't set it here and do a restart, and then it fails to start. And I probably won't see anything here. Yeah. But if I check the user, nope. What was that command? Systemd unit. No, it could not find it. Oh, wait. It used bind. Oh, that is not good. Yeah, I want to bind it to all interfaces but private IP. Yeah. Okay, let me just quickly write it down. Okay. Configuration. Whoa, how can I disable the formatting here? Never mind. Okay, Hugo. So here I need to, oh wait, I can dictate it as well. Need to specify an IP address for bind address. Because if I don't do it, then it and the server does not have a private IP address, then it fails to start. Okay. Oh wait, I cannot copy it like this. Example configuration. Oh, okay. Nice. Should be generated with console keygen. Console grok. Almost. You survived the dentist. Nice, human. That was fast. Okay, this should be a private or public IP address. But I think the public IP address is not so secure. But I guess we are encrypting all the data. It's kinda, but yeah, the best would be the private IP address. Okay, single node x2 upon server. Yep. So now I should check the UI. How can I check the UI? Oh wait, I need to reconfigure the IP address like this. Why it is hanging? I have no idea. But it works. Yeah. Okay. Now how can I check the UI? Which port is the UI? I have no idea. So let's try them. Nope. 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 Nice. We have something. Oh, sorry. It hangs because console probably doesn't send a signal to system to say I'm ready. Yeah, but it should work by default. I got lucky with the checkup. The actual shit is going to happen Thursday. Oh shit. Okay, so what we'll see here. We got the servers, active voter. Oh my god. I don't want to have a stream about politics, but we have an active voter here. Okay. Let's see. I just came to the Twitch browser tab and here and just flashbanged. Sorry. Okay. Yep. I don't know. Key value store. Okay. We have policies, roles. ACL and the current not enabled to this cluster. Okay. Peers. Okay. I guess it's good. So now we need to configure Nomad. We will have the server, the client with local server, yes. Enable the podman and configure pod console. Okay, that looks good. Nomad. Yeah, let's copy it. Probably console is not listening on localhost. So I guess I will need to use the IP address I set here, which is the public one now. Or maybe no, let's try it out if it works. Failed to resolve self-advertised address. No such host. Probably the same. The problem is the same. Yeah, I think I need to set up the advertised addresses. Okay, console is now running, so let's configure Nomad. Almost. I have the following error with your configuration. Yeah, everything we use with it on stream. Mysteries, we never know what will flashbang us. Yep. Yeah, I need this one. I need to advertise it. And the public IP address is this one. Oops. to type it. It's using the IP address, the public IP address everywhere. And I also need the UI. And it hangs. But why? It started successfully. I don't see any console registration. It should be somewhere here that it's configured. Console. Ah. Okay. What if I just use the public IP address everywhere? The restart was way faster. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, Shadow. Okay, how can I verify that Nomad is using console? How can I verify if Nomad is using console? Console. Ah, okay. It's configured. Somehow console sees Nomad, that is sure. I guess. Yeah, does it with a simple job. This is just starting Nginx. Yeah, let's try it out. We use the UI for now. Missing drivers, okay. Wait, did I install the task driver? I think yeah. Yeah, I did. Okay. And then what is missing? Missing drivers, but yeah, that's the only driver we have now. The example Nginx job has the following error. No, I don't want to run Docker. No, I don't want to run Docker. I would like to run Podman. Doctor. Almost. But this is the same job. What? No, the Podman should be the problem. But why? Oh, wait. Maybe I need to specify the whole image name. No. Yeah, because that has nothing to do with the driver itself. What is happening? Of course, when I tested this yesterday, everything worked. But now it's not. Yeah, I can't do anything from here. Oh, wait. Field to list post containers for recovery. I tried to use Docker. But why? Oh wait, that was no, a minute ago. Yeah, I tried to use Docker. No plugin. Yeah, but it's probably running, so that is the socket. Okay. There's no attributes. What is happening? I probably could not find the Podman plugin. And I think if I set it to Docker, it should not work at all because, yeah, there's missing driver. Okay, how can I check where is the plugin directory? Shadow, yeah, traffic could be resource hungry, unfortunately. But yeah, that 400 megabytes is a bit too much, I think. Are you on the latest version of traffic. No, not because of you. Okay, I don't want to go into the source code for sure. I would like to know where it is stored. Opt Nomad plugin. It's not there. I mean, not Nomad Podman. Yeah, there is the Podman driver. It is so frustrating. I have no idea how to set it and there is no documentation on it. Cannot connect to Docker daemon. Okay, but I would like to use Podman and not Docker. Can I disable Docker in the Nomad configuration? Oh, wait. It added to the client part? What? Okay. Almost. I thought that's the problem. Unexpected keys plugin Podman. Yeah. Silly rock. Yeah, but probably it is not installed at all. Yep. Switching to Nginx as default proxy might be a good idea. Yeah, but Nginx is not configured fully in an automated way by Coolify, so probably Caddy would be a better idea. Rust Pingora is better than Nginx. I heard about it but never used it, so yeah, not sure. Driver status exec. That should be Podman. What am I doing wrong? Socket path. Yeah, but this is probably an old one. It installs the driver, okay. It configures it, but yeah, this is not working at all. Okay, I went to the Google search second page, so you know that I'm totally lost. No one goes there. Okay, what should I do? What should I do? I need some kind of debugging for sure, but if it's not here, device see any podman. It doesn't detect the whoa. Skipping external plugins since plugin dir doesn't exist. The plugin directory is totally different now. Okay, what if I... What is... No, I should do something like the... No, not console. Nomad. No, I think in the configuration I could set the plugin directory. Plugin directory, top level data dir. Oh, now it finds... No, it doesn't. Oh my god. Okay, now I can see it in one. Plugin not reference in the agent configuration file. Plugin name is Nomad Driver Podman. No argument or block type is named enabled. What is happening? Invalid label. What is happening? Okay, what if I just remove this one? Nope. No, it does not find. It doesn't find the plugin by default. No. What did I do? It just found the Podman driver. What? You don't say that I need to create the default plugin directory, but I'm reusing the other one. and it basically makes it work. Oh my god. Well, we will see. Or maybe no. Missing driver. Oh, wait. No. It's not Docker, it's Podman. You don't say. I just needed to create the directory. Okay, let's try something. Let's stop Nomad and delete that directory, the default plugins directory. I know it's a directory, okay. And then when we start it, whoopsie. So when we start it, it probably could not detect. No, it now detected because I'm using the custom configuration. Okay, I need to reproduce this one for sure. Okay, now it does not detect. Okay, because the plugin directory does not exist. But if I add the custom plugin directory, it should work. Yeah. I guess we can move on. Let's run it. Yeah, the driver is there now. Okay, not sure what happened there, but it now works. Okay, and how can I reach this Nginx? No, not Docker. Podman. Oh, it's binded to random port. Yeah, okay. So now it works. Kinda works. And then what we would like to achieve here is, okay, I would like to check if console is working or there should be an Nginx here, no? Okay, now everything works. How can I check if console sees the new Nginx container? Hey, human. Thanks. Thanks for the sub for Shadow. Ooh, we reached the sub goal. Holy shit. We are huge now. Thank you. What's the difference? Yeah, it configures the service part. Yeah, let's run it. Ah, I see you, human. Thank you. Okay, nice. So now console sees Nginx, and okay. Now I would like to. Yeah, I can check it from the console as well. Okay, nice. Can I get some details? Nope. Services. Nope. Service. There's no such thing as service. Never mind. Okay, check the UI, check the status. Okay, blah blah blah. How can I tell Nomad to no? So what I would like to do is to get rid of this local bind, because if we are running, I don't know, well, still if you run one service on Nginx, I don't want to expose it on the public IP address. So I would like to get rid of the local port binding. It's probably a job specification in Nomad, not sure. Let's see. Here I need to remove this one. Yes. And I need to add it to the service ports. Oh, it's already there. Just need to specify it with a number. Yeah. Okay, now it's running without the port definition. Console still will see it probably. Yes. It sees the port. But that port is not good. Okay, and now I cannot reach it at all, so I need a reverse proxy. Local bind, yes. Okay, I probably need a reverse proxy now with traffic. Please help me to configure it. Yeah, but yesterday I learned that if I use traffic with the Nomad, now at the moment the console integrated driver, then we don't need the labels. We can use tags instead of labels. Yeah, like this. So it tells the traffic console driver. That's how it should be configured. Not sure which one is better, the labels or the tags, but not exactly, because in the container level, so in the Podman or Docker, let's call it Docker container level, you won't see the tags, or at least not see it as a label. So it's kind of same, but still a bit different. We will check it. We will check it. Okay, let's start traffic now. It runs on all Nomad clients. Okay. I need to set the IP address. Holy shit. Human, thank you. But you really don't need to do it. Thank you. Thank you. Raining piñatas. Okay, yeah, we have the dashboard, console IP address. It should be the public IP address. Hype train, ooh. Yeah. Thank you, human. And it failed. Why? Hello. Unknown error. Okay, that doesn't look so good. So what is the problem here? Not sure. Please give me some. Okay. Traffic pool. Oh, yeah, I cannot use short names with Podman. I need to specify the Docker hub, or I mean the Docker registry itself. .8080 is already in use. What? Excuse me, what? .8080 is already in use. Okay, let's do it again. Sometimes it just helps, but maybe not now. Nope, not now. Try to double bind it, but now it looks like it works. Yes, it's binded to 880 and 80. Podman or Docker. You should configure your Podman daemon JSON to have a default provider. Yeah, that is also a good one. Okay, oops, I forgot to write this down. So let me just quickly write it down that what we are done now. Yeah, this is the same. Okay, then we can do the nomad part. What? Why it's copy pasting a different one? Never mind. Choo-choo. Nice. Thanks again, human. Thank you for the subs. Okay, what was next? We configured console, nomad. Yeah, I will write it down later on, not now. Okay, now we have everything set up, so we could just simply reach traffic here. Yes, traffic is running. Let's see the dashboard. Okay, it's running. And it already configured the Nginx host from the console provider. Okay, the host is wrong because I could not reach it on Nginx hostname. But if I do add this one, oh wait, it is enabled by default. I need to disable that. So now that every container starts, traffic tries to configure it, but I don't want to do it. I would like to disable the traffic configuration generator by default. How can I do it? Nope, not like this. Nope, not like this. Nope. Traffic discover. I don't know how it's called. Discover, maybe. Exposed by default, yeah, that one. So I don't want to expose all the containers by default, but I would like to happen when I want to, like this. Nice emojis. Yep, so now nothing is routed, which is nice, because then I can just simply tell that okay, I need this Nginx to be able to be available on that domain. Which domain is bad? I don't want to use it now, like this. So here, okay, I tag it on the web. Yes, and I would like to use yeah, let's use SSLib. like this. Right? I think I'm right. We will see. Address unreachable. Okay. Traffic is recovering. What? If I try to reach it on the on this domain, it just basically stops working. What? That is strange. Yeah, it basically fails the traffic container when I try to reach it, and I do not see any logs at all. Hey, thanks for the follow. Okay, this is definitely weird. Hey, you're back. Nice. So as soon as I add the host configuration, stops working. But why? But maybe a better question is, how can I debug it? So until I try to reach this domain, everything works. And as soon as I try to reach it, then traffic dies immediately. Okay, I think I should add a debug flag here. Traffic debug log. Oh, just simply log level. Okay. So here I will add like this. Just out of curiosity, what are you trying to achieve with Nomad? Just simply just learning how it works. And I would like to have this one server set up. So we are now here, kinda. And then if everything works here, I would like to add more clients, Nomad clients, and we will see that how we can do a load balancing or something like that. And then yeah, I have a few other things that I would like to check, like how we can run more Nginx or some kind of application in a network separated way. Because at the moment, well, if console works as I would like to, then we probably won't need it. But I would like to separate them on the Docker network level. And yeah, basically that's it. I just would like to learn how it works. Okay, now we have debug logs for traffic. So when I hit this one, I hope we will see something. Okay, server selected by vrr. Okay, maybe this is a bit too much. Okay. Yeah, and basically it reloads traffic. Okay. But I don't like this IP address at all, because this one is traffic itself. So maybe that is causing a loop. Okay, now if let me just add the configuration. So it will know that how it is configured at the moment. I have the following configuration now. And for traffic, oh wait, I did not, oh wait, I copied the wrong one, whoops. When I try to reach that domain, traffic has the following error. and it basically restarts itself. Probably because of an infinite loop. Yeah, tries to. Yeah, it tries to loop it to itself, that is sure. Use the web entry point. Okay, not sure. No change here directly solves it yet. Okay. Avoid IPB's default routing. Default overrides traffic default routing rule to prevent it from blindly using the host IP. Okay, maybe that one is good for us. Let's see. I'm not sure what this .local means and if it will work or not. Nope, still the same. Hey Peak, good morning. Yes, I left because I saw the rules on Discord server. I'm so tired of that everyone have to state no races, blah blah blah, instead of just state to be respectful. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's hard to be honest. That because yeah, as the community grows, lots of people are coming to harass everyone else, and yeah, it's not so easy to be honest. But I think that rules are the default ones, or at least I think Discord tells you to set this one by default. And the problem is everyone's definition of respectable is different, even though we should be humans. Yeah, that is true. Oops, not that fun. So, what is happening now? Yeah, it restarts itself. Yeah, we probably need some other configuration, other network configuration. Check console. Okay, this is still not working. I think the problem is with the network layer, but yeah, I don't want to host, or I mean to bind the dynamic port to the host system for every service. Try to get the IP address. It has an internal IP address. Force console to use container IP. Address mode driver. Not sure if Grok hallucinates a bit or what. I think this won't work, but yeah, we will see. So here I should use the address mode driver. There is no, wait, yeah, no, this is the nomad configuration. I would like to know the job overview. Job specification here. Yeah, maybe address network. No, it's in the service, right? The service tag. Service here. There's no such sting. Okay, English is not working. There is no such string as address mode. Provider console. Only services defined in task block can use this mode. What Mac model did you get? I get the M4 Pro. Not with the smallest CPU, but the one level bigger, let's say. And with 48 gigabytes of RAM. But I think the provider console is the default one, so it won't change anything. Wait, we have address mode here. Oh. And it's auto by default. Then why can't I reuse that one? Task group service validation failed. Service Nginx. Cannot use address mode driver. Only services defined in the task block can use this mode. What was the difference if I define the service in the task? Can I do it like this? I can. And what would be the difference? I have no idea. We will see. Okay. It's still configured in traffic. It uses the Nginx service, connects to it to a local IP address. So if I try to reach it here, it works. Hey, Alessandro. Hey. Sorry, I missed your message. Okay, so now it works. Okay. And it uses the internal IP address. So that means that not Nomad, sorry, Podman. Yeah, nothing is binded here, which is nice. But what I would like to do is, let's say that, wait, I can check the IP address of the traffic. Oops, traffic, yeah, like this. Yeah, it has the same internal IP address. I mean, in the same subnet. So if I do, okay, it has curl. Yeah, it can reach each other in that internal IP address. Okay, that makes sense, because you could reach the traffic from the traffic container, the Nginx container. Otherwise, they cannot talk it with each other. That is okay, but the main problem here is if I make another Nginx, let's call it Nginx. Wow. And yeah, let's name it Nginx service, Nginx2. Oh wait, no, just manually type it. Okay. And I don't know the syntax. What if I would like to host the Nginx on a /Nginx path? Come on, Grok, you are faster. Yep. Oh, it just simply look like this. Okay. So if I add another one like this, and then I'll port that one. Okay, let's run it. Now it is not found. Oh, yeah, I need to strip the prefix. That is probably true. Yep, so now I have two Nginx running, one in the /Nginx path and one in the root path, let's say. So if I go here and check the containers and check the IP addresses, and go in not Docker, sorry, podman Docker. Yeah, that's probably the right command. Podman, and go to test, and I can curl this one. Yes. Nope. Oh, thank you, Google. No peek. Nope. Okay, now everything works, but I have one problem. By the way, my favorite Podman thing is using -L for the latest container. Oh. Nice. I didn't know that. Thank you. I learned something new. I added a new Nginx container. Let me just quickly copy paste with the job definition. And now they can reach each other in the internal network. And I don't want them to be able to reach each other internally. How can I configure the Nginx jobs? I don't know. Nginx jobs. Yeah, I understand that they are on the same network. Yeah, but the problem... What? I can disable network entirely? Contents get no IP address and only traffic via nomad service can reach them through Podman's internal proxying to the container file system socket. No. This won't work. This won't work for sure. Yeah, I know I need a custom network. But the problem with that if I add the custom network, well, not sure because the configuration is a bit different than when I first tried it out. But if I add the custom Docker network, the last time traffic could not reach these containers. But let me try it. Where should I put it? In the configuration. Config here. Okay. Let's just first use that one for the first Nginx. Hey, lab. Hey, unless I'm currently self-hosting but would consider switching to cloud if migration would be possible. Is that something that might come at some point? Yes. We will have a feature that you can transfer a server from self-hosted to cloud, and the other way as well, of course. Unknown unsupported network mode. What did I do? Yeah. Grog just died. When I would like to start the first Nginx, I got the following error. Okay, this does not help at all. Where can I check these configurations in the job specification? I have no idea. Maybe the slash is not supported. Nope. What is this mode bridge do exactly? Oh, wait, we don't have a network part. I have no idea how to use Nomad with custom Docker network. Oof, it's a bit old one. It's 2015. Okay, I'm unsure how to proceed with this one. Yeah, it needs another kind of plugin, CNI, which we don't have. Can you open the console UI and check how the job is registered? Because I think it needs to be console or nomad. Yep. So by default, it looks like this. I'm not sure if we see something useful here. Yeah, so it gets the right IP address, that is sure. So with Podman, all the network related stuffs are working, so that's not the problem now. I have no idea what could be the problem. No idea. Not sure how to debug this one. It doesn't get any logs at all. It is not starting at all. Okay, I'm not sure, but what I'm sure is that I will end the stream now because I need to start something to feel myself productive because in the past 2 hours I I wasn't so productive. So yeah, I will let this cluster run, and I will try to figure out afterwards. Hello, is there a solution for the deploy problem? Oh, yeah. Yep. I wrote it down. I think this was it. Yep. I will check it. I did not forget it. I just didn't have time to check it. But yeah, I will. Beiros. Hey, I'm using the M4 Pro with not the smallest, but the one level up on the server. My English is not working today, sorry. And with 40 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, English is stopped working on Mondays, not sure why. So yeah, I will end the stream now because I don't want you to watch me struggle. And yeah, and as I said, I would like to be productive today, so I will do a few other things. So let's rate someone. Who should we rate? Togglebit. Yeah, thank you, Xariel. Same to you. Yeah, let's rate Togglebit. So yeah, thanks to everyone who was here. Sorry, it was a really struggling Monday stream. Next time will be better, I hope. And yeah, have a nice day and see you next time. So yeah, let's hope I won't struggle next time. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.